for watching the Power Moto channel and join us for an unforgettable ride with two of the most senior and respected riders in the game. Subscribers Mike and John, two U.S. veterans of the U.S. military. These guys are pushing the limits of what it means to be a senior rider, with one of them almost 75 years old. That's right, in this inspiring video we'll take you on a ride out with these two legends as they show us what it means to be a true rider, no matter your age, on Power Moto.
Motorcycle riding. Stunts like you've never seen before. Beautiful models.
You fake YouTubers, it's on.
And I came to raw.
Power Moto. Take it easy, big guy. Mr. Veteran. Mr. Other veteran. Two veterans. One that does sick wheelies with his sick helmet. And his sick shit, this guy. The guy. The guy.
We'll hit the streets of Miami on the Suzuki Hayabusa, taking on the city's toughest roads and highways. From high-speed wheelies to daring stunts, we'll show you just what this iconic motorcycle is capable of. Along the way, you'll also learn about the important work that Mike and Jim are doing on the Power Moto gang. And subscribe today to support our missions to uplift and empower veterans everywhere with the Suzuki Hayabusa. And riders like Mike and Jim, anything is possible. Check out that wheelie. Oh my god, that Busa is sick. That Busa is so fast and so planted, I couldn't keep up. Oh my god. Great job, veterans. Let's go to the keys.
He's doing it. He's a veteran. USA! He's a veteran! You're a veteran! All right! The veteran! All right! See a veteran? My guy, he's doing it on the Busa. Take your scooters home. What's different today?
Got some extra stickers?
Yes, I do.
On my truck.
Okay, fair enough. I'm going to give you one today. I've got one. And the viewers can show them what they can order. Go ahead, point to it again one more time. What is it that they're seeing? And look at the back where my ass goes. Now, it's got a little bubble right here. We're waiting for the sun to hit it. Once the sun hits it, we'll get it out of there.
Pop that air out.
I think so. With the sun, ba-bam! Ba-bam! With the Yoshimura. She's doing it. These guys tried to race me. They got smoked. I had to slow down to film them. They were going so slow. Yeah, it's on Power Moto.
Subscribe today to join our mission and support riders like Mike and Jim who are making a difference in their community. If you like this Busa video, check out some of these other Busa videos. And thanks for subscribing. We out.